We're entering now a hot part of this course, and I'm going to show you how you can spy your competitors. Here we go to the Facebook ads and the Facebook Candy, our powerful tool. Here you see Facebook ads is for VIPs only. Okay, you're going to click on this arrow, you get three options. And in this video, you're going to see the first one. The first one is the Facebook Ads Spy. Then we will see Ads Analytics, and we will see also the Graph Search Helper. What is the Facebook Ads Spy? I'm going to click here on this one, which is a new option currently. You input here a keyword like golf. And here you search by page name or content or even all. I say all. I'm going to check you want to look for pages or posts with more than 100 likes, for example, more than 100 comments, more than 100 shares. Of course, you should go for some numbers, okay, at least for more than 100 likes, because you want to retrieve pages with a lot of entertainment and a lot of interaction with the users. Then you're going to select here if you want a platform or is a Shopify. You want to use one of the e-commerce here platform. So this is the platform or Shopify. You can see where these ads have been done. You can have ads from Shopify or ads from the platform. And then what kind of ad is a photo or a video or both? Limited time, the last year, all or last 6 months or 3 months and so on. The order is random or by the number of likes, comment, share and date of the post. We leave everything as it is. I'm going to click on Spy and we're going to see what happened. So we're looking for ads related to golf. Okay, here we are. We retrieve some results. You can see here in this area, you see we have some of the posts or more the ads on Facebook on our niche golf. And here you see order here and then here the link. It was on March 11th. And you see how many people like this, how many people comment, how many people share this. You can see also click on view. Okay, and you kind of see this one. Okay, so this is amazing because you see here all the posts, okay, all these ads. See how many people like this. So if you're promoting in this area, you know, for example, you should go for t-shirts, okay, some of, okay, golf, awesome, order here, you get this, okay, a timeline photo. Here you see here the link. If you click on this link, you can order, okay? And you go to this page, somefrog.com, for example. You go to this page, and this is the affiliate ID of the person that posted this. You can see here. And you can select this and buy. When I'm gonna buy this guy here is going to get, okay, this one is gonna get money as an affiliate. Okay, I can also see here in analytics. I'm gonna click on a new window. Okay, I can also click on where I was before, and we'll see later in the next video how I can do analytics. Okay,